How to reverse a video in Davinci Resolve. Now, if you only want to reverse the video, you can deselect this right here and just select the video. So now, as you can see, the audio is not selected. If you want to only reverse the audio, you can just select the audio and reverse it from there. But let's say I want to reverse this entire thing. So now both of them are selected. Right click and go to change clip speed. Once you're here, you can have reverse speed. And what that's basically going to do is just set all of these values to negatives. So let's change this. And as you can see, it is the video is reversed. And there you go. That's how to reverse a video in Davinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.